Alright, you're welcome to this channel. This is Danbenjinji Graphics, a graphic designer and a video animator. So quickly, I want to show you how you can able to buy data in TDC mobile store. TDC mobile store. But before I go into the video, I want to encourage you to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, like the video, share the video, and leave a comment. So that anytime I post or share a video, you can be notified that I shared or posted a video. So quickly, let me run down to Chrome. You can make use of the website. You can also make use of the data. So it's called TDC Mobile Store, and this mobile store is a platform that pays you to carry on transaction. You buy data, you buy airtime, you subscribe data for yourself, for someone, and Nico, WAEG, NAPTEP, Jumping, even international airtime, cable subscriptions, all the online subscription, NEPA bill, a subscription you can pay through the platform also. And you can also upload ebook, affiliate other people products. In case you don't have any products, you can affiliate other people's products. Also, anytime you register someone, you can get commission. And before you get started to become a pioneer, you will have to register with there are different packages: 2,000 naira, 4,000, 10,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100k package. So these packages are available for you to register according to your capacity, but it is encouraged to register with the higher amount because it gives you chance to gain a higher commission. For example, you register with 2,000 naira package. Then when you refer someone, you are going to get 20% commission. But if you're in the 4k package, when you refer, you're going to get 25%. So this is how it increases. Different. The higher your package, the higher the percentage of commission you are going to get. So I want to buy data so that I can get my commission. But there is a way it's done. There are different aspects of data available. I'm going to walk you through. I'm logging in now. Just like this video, share this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So now I'm logging in. It is still loading. Still loading. Still loading. So in this TDC store, if you want to buy data, there are different categories of data in it. There is one that is called data SME. SME. Alright, this icon here. The data SME is very cheap. It's very cheap. If you make purchase with that, you are not going to get a commission. But when you just purchase your data like in the normal like the normal data subscription, like you want to buy data of maybe 1 gig, let's say in Glow, if you want to buy 1.8 gig, you are going to get at the rate of 1,000 naira. And in data SME is cheaper. So in that it gives you an opportunity to, like, you can sell. You will not get a commission, but when one wants to purchase a data and you sell it to the person, let's say data, okay, we want to buy a Glow of 1.8 gig, and normally it's 1,000 naira, and the person pays you 1,000 naira and you get it at the, okay, let me just go see SME data. That is what I want to make purchase. I want to just recharge myself. I'll show you how you can make it, show you the differences. The direct data is the normal data that we usually buy from the networks. When you buy data with the normal subscription amount, you are going to get commission. But when you make use of SME data, you are getting lesser amounts. You are going to get the actual gig that you want, but with a lesser amount. And in that, you are not going to get a commission. So now it is loading. So I want to put in my numbers. Okay, orders. I want to put in my number. And one thing that I really observe or love is this. 563629440. One thing I observe is this. You can get like a kind of direct data pin. Just like when you want to buy airtime, you get those pin, you recharge, and you just buy the pin, and then when you recharge it, instead of becoming an airtime, it becomes data directly. You just subscribe your data directly. So it's a very wonderful platform. So I want to choose my data plan. Now check out. You see, for 1.8 gig, I'm getting it at the rate of 500 naira. 500 naira. That is for SME. So there's this one, where is it? Aha. So check. For YouTube channel below, the last one for the YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe for YouTube, you are going to get, you make use of 200 naira to get 2 gig, like 2 gig. Wow. For 7 days, just a week. So That's not what I want to. This is not the aspect I'm going through now. I'm yeah, to select my data plan now. Now look at the SME, for 1 gigabyte. You can get it at the rate of 2000, sorry, 250 naira. For 10 gig, you're going to get it 2500 naira. You know, when you go to the normal subscription, you're not going to get it at this very amount. You won't get it this amount. So in any of these amounts, you can make purchase of it, and immediately you are going to get your data landed quickly. No delay, no delay. So I want to make purchase of should I make purchase of 1 gig or 500 naira MB? Let me pause this video while I decide which one I make. Alright, I'm just going to make purchase of 1 gig, and I'll be charged. Yes. I'll put in my purchase pin. I want to purchase it now. You see, it's still loading. Successful. Can you see it? Your data will arrive shortly. And let's wait while let's see how many seconds it's going to take for it to arrive. Okay. So this is how you are going to purchase data. You see, I've purchased data of 1 gig at the rate of 200. You see, at the rate of 250 naira. When you want to get it normally, you are going to get it at the rate of 500 or about 1,000 naira. So please, I encourage you, please, let me know if you are interested. If you are really interested, please can you let me know about this. This is a very wonderful platform in which you can buy data at cheaper price for yourself, and then you can even like make it a business to sell it for someone. You want someone to buy data of 1 gig, and the person pays you at the normal price, and then you sell it about you have getting again. So please let me know if you are interested. You want to register so that I can get you started. I can register you. What package you want to start with? 2,000, 4,000, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, or 100k package. Remember, the higher the package, the higher the percentage of the commission you earn on each referral. And remember, you earn in different ways, not only on referral. So thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you another video. Thank you very much.